Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most overlooked areas in the home, the space under the stairs. Get ready for some incredible tricks and hacks to transform this often neglected spot into a functional and stylish part of your home. If you're living in a small space, an understairs kitchen could be the perfect solution. Utilize compact appliances like a mini fridge, a 2-burner stove, and a small sink. Install custom cabinets to maximize storage and make sure to plan for good ventilation and lighting. This setup can turn a previously unused space into a fully functional kitchen. Create a cozy entertainment area by turning the space under your stairs into a TV wall. Mount your TV on the wall, add a media console or floating shelves for your entertainment system and accessories, and arrange seating to create a comfortable viewing area. This is a great way to integrate your staircase into your living space seamlessly. First up, how about creating a cozy reading nook? All you need is a comfy chair or a built-in bench, some cushions, a good lamp, and voila! You've got the perfect little hideaway to escape with your favorite book. Need a dedicated workspace, but short on space? Turn the area under your stairs into a compact home office. Install a small desk, some floating shelves for storage, and make sure to add good lighting. This can be a great way to separate work from your living areas. If you're a book lover, why not turn this space into a mini library? Install some shelves and arrange your books beautifully. Add a comfortable chair and good lighting, and you'll have your personal reading haven. Pet owners, this one's for you. Create a special spot for your furry friend under the stairs. This can be their sleeping area, with a comfortable bed and some toys. Or even a custom-built pet house that blends with your interior design. Parents, transform the Understairs area into a magical play corner for your kids. Decorate it with playful colors, soft flooring, and their favorite toys. It can be a great way to give them their own little space. Storage is always a challenge, especially in smaller homes. Use the space under your stairs for smart storage solutions. Install shelves, drawers, or even a small closet to keep your home organized and clutter-free. Finally, use the Understairs space as a display area for your favorite items. This could be a gallery wall, a place to showcase your collectibles, or even an indoor garden with potted plants and greenery. Create a compact mudroom under your stairs. Add hooks for coats, cubbies for shoes, and a bench for convenience. It's a great way to keep your entryway clean and organized. For plant enthusiasts, turn the space into an indoor greenhouse. Install shelves for potted plants, add some grow lights, and create a lush, green corner in your home. There you have it, folks. These are just a few ideas to inspire you to make the most out of your understairs space. Remember, with a little creativity, every corner of your home can be both functional and beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips and hacks. Thanks for watching.